Wants everybody to be happy.
All right, well, stay on the line for the necklace. 120 of those have gone. 3 color choices, the jet color, the clear, and then the champagne. But we're gonna now talk about the pins. And you can tell Heidi and I particularly love pins. As a matter of fact, one year for Host Pick, you did some pins for me.
I did.
Because I just love them, and they're collectible. So you can get these, and then next year, and then you can take a pillow and put all your pins on and bring it out for the holidays.
Yes.
So $129.95 for Blizzard of Flurry. Little Mr. Snowman with his bright blue eyes and his little blue mittens on. He's all ready to sweep your driveway. Well, even though his broom is encrusted with jewels.
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, why not?
Yes, he's going all out for the holidays. I love it. He's so happy, too.
Isn't he happy? I think he is just the cutest snowman that we've ever brought to HSN. Yeah. I love his hat. Look at his hat, how awesome that is. It really is very dimensional, and you can see that it's completely coated in those beautiful hematite crystals, and then that white. Now, this is a good chubby snowman. Yeah. I mean, this guy is, you know.
This is not a Florida snowman.
No, this
it's like
guy,
a Midwest snowman.
He's, you know, he's a high, you know,
he's not melted.
That's right. I mean, you know, he's
filled out.
Yes, he is.
It's all ice and frozen and gotten bigger, ice and frozen.
Exactly, exactly. So he's, you know, there's a rounded dimension to him, of course, because he's got, you know, he's got a few pounds on him there. And that all has to be hand painted. And when you're doing that with the white enameling, it's a very, very difficult thing to do. When it's a flat enameling is pretty easy, but when you're talking about a curve, very, very tricky, all hand painted. And then it goes to the next step, that there is this beautiful pave work, all Swarovski crystals at $129 for a pin of this stature. Come over here and take a peek at the if you just treated yourself to the pearl strands. Look, you know, whether you bought them in the black or, you know, even with the taupe, because the taupe are
I think Angela just bought 20 of these. Because we have 43 pins left, and that's it for 2017.
Yeah,
there's not going to be another snowman pin. This is one and only, this is the final. And matter of fact, we're going to do last call on it soon. Express automated ordering. Now there's 35 left.
Oh my gosh.
So, you know, if you're not calling in now, you're not going to get it on this pin. 582-731.
How cute is that? Even with a big fat red ribbon, or you know that wonderful black rope from Newport Chic, if it's already in your jewelry box. This is just the cutest thing to put on a jean jacket or a big puffy coat. Even Juliana's
today special with the puffy.